Very happy to also meet you here once again on the same episode about 2013 Toyota Vitz car import duty, in as much as possible, so that it will serve a lot of people, thousands of people in the future. I believe so. But one thing I want you to do for me, if you haven't yet done it, please, if you have not subscribed to Eric Auto Center particularly, and you are watching this video, please do so to hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you click that notification bell to stay updated whenever we upload videos on this particular platform. This is the general aspect, what we are doing to encourage people, what we are doing to educate people, what we are doing to help people out there, especially those who want to purchase car, the car dealers, the car importers. It is very important for you to also help us. Please, if you are watching me and it touches your heart, please don't hesitate to support us with what you can. Our Momo number is 0246 903295, 0246903295, because we are trying our best, but it is not easy at all. It is not easy at all. So support us to pay our monthly subscription, our data subscription monthly. It costs a lot, and what you are doing, we don't get anything from it. Please support us. Thank you very much. Appreciated. Now, this is 2013 Toyota Vitz import duty in Ghana, if you are watching me. So we have this basic requirement before you can able to clear your car, no matter what you do. We have insurance, we have CIF, we have import duty, we have duty inclusive base, we have VAT, NHIL, get fund, ECOWAS levy, AU levy, we have fee, exams, and what? Processing fee. This is what they use to calculate import duty, or I use to calculate import duty. I'm not an agent, please. I'm not an agent. So if anyone impersonating me, collecting money from you to do import duty calculating for you, please, you have to be vigilant. I have no knowledge about it. This is my knowledge and my experience I have on this journey. That is why I'm sharing it to you guys, so that you can also proceed. So first, we have insurance. If insurance is 1.5% of US dollars, and we purchased this car $2,000. The car is showing on the screen, you can watch it. $2,000 2013 Toyota Vitz, and the insurance against $2,000 is 1.5%, which will give us 450 Ghana Cedis. That's the insurance when you are buying it. We call it bill of lading. CIF, cost price, insurance price, freight, is what? 48,450 Ghana Cedis. Addition to the $2,000, this is what it will give us. And we have import duty 20%, because this car is overage. The last video I did was 12.5%, and this one is 20%. That means there is a penalty and charges. That is why it has shoot, which is also give us 9,690 Ghana Cedis. Duty inclusive base, CIF plus duty, is 58,140 Ghana Cedis. I am doing the whole calculation, and I will tell you the exact import duty. So don't disturb, don't worry. You understand, and I will break it everything down for you to know what I'm really talking about. So we have VAT 15%, is also 8,721. We have NHIL 2.5%, is 1,453.50. Get fund is 2.5, same, and it's also 1,400 and what? 1,453.50, the same cost. We have ECOWAS levy of 0.5% of CIF. So it is also 242.25 Ghana Cedis. That is what it is. And then we have AU levy, 0.2% of CIF, is 96.90 Ghana Cedis. And fees, exams plus processing is 500 Ghana Cedi. You have to understand it because every car has its own dimension of the cost, because we have engine capacity difference, we have age different, we have kilometer wise mileage different, we have the specs. So you have to understand it well to know how you are going to buy. Everything on car calculation import is not the same. Every car has own import duty requirement, so you have to take note about it. So in total we have 22,157.15 Ghana Cedi. That is the total cost of the import duty, and this is the amount you are going to pay for the car to be cleared. That is the whole thing. And finally, if you add 22,157.15 to addition to 58,140, it will give you 70,607.15 Ghana Cedi. That is the whole amount of the car we bought. We ship it, we pay the insurance, we clear it at the harbor, and this is the total amount we spend. So if you have bought this car already and you want to clear it, I don't know how much you bought it and where the car is coming from, but this 22,157 is the total duty that you are going to pay. I don't know the local charges that you may face at the harbor long room. That one, they also have their own thing to do out there, but for my perspective, this is the main import duty cost at the moment. That if you have the car and this car and you want to clear it, this is the amount you are going to pay, and you have to be very clear about it, because things may change anytime because of the exchange rate, as you can see. So you have to be also consider that whenever you are doing this calculation, so that it will help you to understand what you are doing. This is Eric Auto Center. Please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you comment, you share my videos, and also like. If you like my video, YouTube also recommend my videos to a lot of people, a lot of continents, cities, countries, to also discover what you are doing and also get benefit from it. So please share my video. Don't watch it alone and leave it. Share to your status, your social media platform, your family, your friends, your loved ones, and we are moving forward to go. Every question that I've get about import duty calculation, I will do it. But if you want me to do it fast and you have the option to give me the information about the cost, purchasing price, and the CIF, if you provide this thing, it won't take much time. I'll do it. But if you requested it and I don't have the data, I have to take my time and do proper inquiries and get the right data, right source, before I can able to provide the video. That is why it takes sometimes much time for me to come out with this content, because as I always said, I don't want to spread misinformation. I don't want to give you wrong data calculation so that it will cause problem to me and the people out there who need it most. That is why I always take my time to do certain things at the right time. You also have to take note about that things may change due to the exchange rate, because $1 US is now currently 15 Ghana Cedi. So if things go higher, automatically this calculation I made will change, increase. So we have to consider the exchange rate to do the calculation well and also understand the whole process. Thanks for watching Eric Auto Center. If anything you don't understand and anything you want me to explain further, please write it in the comment section. I'll come out and answer everything, and we are good to go. Until I meet you in the next video, stay blessed, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.